Last year we came on an assessment trip, and when we got back, I got involved in all of the design work based on all of the data we collected on the assessment trip. And I had to see myself come back here to see the start of the project, at least. I had to see it begin. Last year in August, we made a trip here to Puco to perform an assessment trip. Basically, we need data on the community. We spend most of our time back in Auburn coming up with designs to help this community, and so we need to come here and collect data so that we can come make those designs. So last year when we came, we brought a total station so that we could do surveying. We wanted elevation and distance data for a lot of key points in the area. That way we could design a gravity-fed irrigation system. We also came with a lot of questions for the people. This project is for them, and we need to know what they want, what their needs are. You come here and you might expect that the first project they want is a drinking water project, but what they want is an irrigation project. They want to grow their food. That is what they told us when we all sat together at the table. We come up with a bunch of different designs and we weigh them, and we talk to the community, see what their preferences are, see what they have to say, and then we essentially pick a design at a high level, and then we get into all the details, where each piece of pipe is going to go, where each coupling is going to go, and then we come and we implement it with the community. Right now, the community is actually laying out pipe on this implementation. Some of the community members will mention what their visions are. They'll mention something called the green poncho. They want to see all of the mountains turn into these green fields where they're growing food. That's what I want to see, and knowing that we can take a little bit of water next to this community and make a small chunk of this mountain greener throughout the year, that means a lot. On this trip, we are doing two things essentially. The way we're implementing the project is in two phases. We have an upper phase and a lower phase. So the first phase, we will irrigate the top half of the field. Second phase, we'll irrigate the lower half of the fields. On this trip, we are implementing the upper system and performing more assessment to create a design for the lower system. So we have two teams of students essentially. One team will be performing inspections, asking questions, finalizing designs as we implement the upper system, and the other team has the total station and they're doing surveying for the lower system.